In LIS, encyclopedia are classified as the tertiary or ready reference sources. The main purpose of encyclopedia in LIS is to provide factual, summarized information across subjects. Which of the following is considered a general purpose encyclopedia? That is Encyclopedia Britannica. In a library, encyclopedia are usually placed in the reference section. Subject encyclopedia differ from general ones by offering in-depth content on specific discipline. Which of the following is a subject-specific encyclopedia? That is McGraw-Hill Encyclopedia of Science and Technology. Encyclopedia in LIS support quick reference, user education and subject orientation. Electronic encyclopedias provide hyperlink content, search features and the multipedia. A LIS student researching knowledge organization system may use subject encyclopedia in LIS. The role of encyclopedia in digital library has shifted toward providing dynamic online content linked to other sources. Encyclopedia in law. A legal encyclopedia used to provide general legal principles and summaries of law. The most widely used legal encyclopedia in the US is American Jurisprudence. Another major US legal encyclopedia is Corpus Juris Secundum. Legal encyclopedia are considered which type of sources in the legal research? Secondary sources. Legal encyclopedia helps researchers by giving overviews and pointing to relevant case law or statutes. In India, a key legal encyclopedia is Halsbury's Law of India. Halsbury's Law of England is an authoritative legal encyclopedia summarizing English law. A legal encyclopedia provides entries that are alphabetically arranged and thematically grouped. Which of the following is not a legal encyclopedia? That is Webster's Dictionary. Legal encyclopedia are mainly used by the lawyers, legal scholars and the students. Legal encyclopedia are helpful at which state of the research? That is preliminary or background research. In LIS, encyclopedia and legal encyclopedia are both ready reference tools with the structured content. Encyclopedia are typically evaluated based on the authority, accuracy, scope and the currency. Online legal encyclopedia today are available via legal research database like Westlaw or LexisNexis. In law libraries, legal encyclopedia support reference and citation for general legal topics. Legal encyclopedia often cross-reference statute, case law and legal commentary. A distinguished feature of legal encyclopedia is use of extensive footnotes and legal citation. Legal encyclopedia are especially useful for the introductory understanding of broad legal areas. A student in LIS researching legal reference tools would include Halsbury laws, MJR and CJS. Legal encyclopedia differ from law journal in that they summarize existing law rather than analyze legal issues. The Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science is published by the Marshall Dicker, now part of the CRC Press. The first volume of ELIS was published in the 1968. The founding editors of LIS were Alan Kent and Harold Lanker. ELIS is known for providing comprehensive scholarly articles on LIS topics. The original ELIS was designed as a multi-volume reference work. The main objective of ELIS is to offer in-depth scholarly treatment on LIS topics. Which of the following best describe the content of study of ELIS? Authoritative, scholarly and peer-reviewed articles. ELIS is useful to LIS students, researchers and educators. Articles in ELIS are arranged alphabetically by the topic. ELIS differ from general encyclopedias in that it is subject specified to library and information science. In LIS research, ELIS is considered a standard library source, standard tertiary source for authoritative overview. Which of the following is typically found in ELIS entries? Definition, history, theory and the bibliography. Which format is ELIS available in today? Print and electronic formats. ELIS contributes to LIS education by offering foundational articles for curriculum and research. The audience of ELIS includes library professionals, information scientists, and policy planner. Topics covered in ELIS education: cataloging, information retrieval, LIS education, and digital libraries. ELIS entries usually end with bibliography and cross-reference. The style of writing in LIS emphasizes academic tone, neutrality, and citation support. A key strength of ELIS is that each article is considered by a subject expert. ELIS is a credible source because it's peer reviewed and curated by expert editors. Later volumes of ELIS have addressed digital transformation, e-resource and metadata. The revised editions of ELIS have been updated to include topics like AI, information ethics, and open access. Which similar encyclopedia is widely used in LIS research? International Encyclopedia of Information and Library Science. In India, ELIS is often used by MLIS students, researchers, and UGC NET aspirants. The value of ELIS in LIS lies in offering reliable background theory and scholarly insights into LIS topics. Thank you.